Hello students, good morning. Welcome to everyone to Hurvansar's classes. So students, our mathematics syllabus is too vast, too lengthy. So we will be getting videos not on alternate days but every day. So kindly cooperate with me and cooperate with school because syllabus of mathematics is too large that it can't be completed if we do the videos on alternate days. So every day you have to study mathematics. Even when you are in school, then you are having mathematics period every day, not on alternate days. So kindly cooperate with me, with school, and give at least 3 or 4 hours of study every day. I hope you are staying well, you are staying healthy, and you are in high spirits. Thank you very much, students. Let us start with today's class. Class 10th, we continue with matrices. Exercise 9C. Question number 30. Two cos 60 minus 2 sin 30 minus tan 45 cos 0 into cot 45 cosec 30 secant 60 sin 90. So we have to multiply it. I put the values. Cos 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. From 9th class you remember. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is also 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. So it will become minus 1 because minus sign is there. Cos 0 is 1. These values you remember from 9th class. Cot 45 1. Cosec 32. Secant 62. Sin 91. So I cancel them out first. So it is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, then 1 2 2 1. So multiply first row with first column. 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Then first row second column. 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Then second row first column minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 into 2 2. Then second row second column minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 1 into 1 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 plus 2 1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. This is the answer. So just only you have to put the values and multiply as we do it. Then (9D). This is revision exercise only. It's for you. Only 1 or 2 questions I will do. Question number 5. Question number 4 is important one. You have to do it. You have done many questions like that. So 9D. It is revision exercise of 9A, B and C. So only few questions I will do. (9D) question number 5. I do a next page. 9D question number 5. Cos 45 sin 30 root 2 into cos 0 sin 0, then sin 45 cos 90 sin 90 cot 45 degree. Now cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2, root 2 cos 0 is 1, so root 2 into 1, sin 0 is 0. This is sin 45, 1 by root 2, cos 90 0, sin 90 1, cot 45 1. So it is 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, root 2 into 1, root 2, 0. It is 1 by root 2, 0, 1, 1. Now multiply first row with first column. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Then 1 by root 2 into 0, 0. First row, second column. 1 by root 2 into 0, 0. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Root 2 into 1 by root 2. Then 0 into 1, 0. Then root 2 into 0, 0. Second row, second column. 0 into 1, 0. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will become 1. 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This will cancel. 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. So 1, 1 by 2. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0. That is my answer. Then question number 23, I do. Given matrix A is 4 sin 30 cos 0, then again cos 0, then again 4 sin 30. First I solve it. A is equal to 4, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 1, 4 sin 30, 4 into 1 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. So A is 2, 1, 1, 2. Now I have found the value of A. Now I am given that and B is equal to, B is also given 4, 5. So AX is equal to B. A is 2, 1, 1, 2 into X is equal to B. Now I write the orders. Order of A is 2 is to 2. Order of X, let it be A into B. Order of B is 2 rows, 1 column. 2 rows, 1 column. So A is 2 is to 2. X is A is to B. B is 2 is to 1. Now for multiplication, number of columns in the first should be equal to number of rows in the second. Then in the answer we get number of rows from the first, number of columns from the second. So what is the value of B? B is 1. What is the value of A? A is 2. So order of X is A is to B mean 2 is to 1. 2 rows, 1 column. So let x be equal to 2 rows, 1 column. I put it x, y. Now I am given that Ax is B. Ax is B. Value of A is 2, 1, 1, 2. Into x I have taken 2 rows, 1 column, x and y, because I have to find x. Then B is 4, 5. So multiply first row, first column, 2 into x, 1 into y. Then second row, first column, there is no second column here. So first row, first column, second row, first column, 1 into x, 2 into y, 4, 5. So 2x plus y, x plus 2y is 4 and 5. So 2x plus y is 4, x plus 2y is 5. So I solve it simultaneously. I multiply it with 2. So 2x, multiply with 2, 4x plus 2y is 8, x plus 2y is equal to 5. Then I subtract, solve it simultaneously. 4x minus x, 3x, 2y cancel, 8 minus 5, 3. So 3x is 3, x is 3 upon 3 equal to 1. Then I put value of x. X plus 2y 5, x is 1, two y is 4, y is 4 upon 2, 2. So matrix x is, value of x is 1, xy, right? Then x is 1, y is 2. That is my answer. So with this I come to end of chapter matrices. Students, kindly give attention that learn to do multiplication. Multiplication of matrices demands much practice. So more you practice, more will be the good results. Second is to find the order of matrix, that I have told you many times. Again, this method you learn how to find the order of the matrices. Practice it hard. Try to solve nearly 10 to 20 questions like that, or do the same question 10 to 20 times. Then you will be very much familiar with this method. So these two things you must keep in mind, that multiplication of matrices demands much practice. First row, first column, then first row, second column, then second row, first column, second row, second column. You go this way. Still, if there is any problem, put in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me. I will solve it for you. I will try to remove your confusions, your doubts. So one more thing from exercise 4b. I think I have noted something wrong. So the answer was not matching. Students told me in comment box and WhatsApp. So I do question number 12, 4b. Exercise 4b. Question number 12, part 3. Exercise 4b, question number 12, part 3. X plus 5 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 1. So x plus 5 greater than or equal to 4x minus 4. So 4x will go to the left hand side. X minus 4x greater than or equal to minus 4 minus 5. X minus 4 is 9. So I divide with minus 3. When I divide with negative sign, I have to change the signs. Minus 9 upon minus 3. It was greater than, I made it less than 3. So x is less than or equal to 3. Then 3 minus 2x, second part is 3 minus 2x less than minus 7. So minus 2x less than, this 3 will get negative there, minus 7 minus 3, minus 2x minus 10. I divide with minus 2, minus 10 upon minus 2, they cancel out, 2 5 are 10. X is less than, when I divided minus 2, I have to put it greater than. So x is greater than or equal to 5. So x is less than or equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 5. I draw two number lines for that. Now and sign is there. And mean common. And mean common. So if x is for a 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I have to draw straight line because less than or equal to 3, and it will go on forever. Then b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is greater than or equal to 5. So A and B mean A intersection B. Now A intersection B mean common. So A is less than 3. B is more than 5. So nothing is common there. Nothing is common there. So it is empty set. Because x is less than 3, it is going to left side from 5. If I draw here, it is less than this. 5 is more, it is more than 5. So nothing is common between these two lines. So it will be a empty set. It will be an empty set. So thank you very much for today. Make this correction. Question number 12, part 3. From tomorrow onward, we will start with new chapter. Thank you very much for today. Stay inside, stay safe, stay healthy. Obey your parents, obey the orders of the authorities. It is for your well-being only. Thank you very much.